Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to presentation about Abu Bakar. The first, I would like to share a short version about one just a figure in Islamic story. His name is Abu Bakar Shiddiq radhiyallahu anhu, the closest companion to Prophet Muhammad SAW and the first prophet of Islam. Introduction. Abu Bakar Shiddiq was known for his honesty, loyalty, and strong faith. He was the first adult man to embrace Islam, and he always supported the Prophet Muhammad SAW in every situation, whether in times and persecution. And his early life. Abu Bakr was born in Mecca in the year of 573 as year. He came from the respected Abu Tayyib, and he dribbled in some uh, Mecca to the he was successful when his merchant now for famous and kindness even the before Islam. He never worshipped idols and he lived with noble characters. And he actually of Islam, where the Prophet Muhammad SAW revives the first revelation. Abu Bakr accepted Islam immediately without hesitation. His trust and his faith uh, were so strong that he earned the title is Ashidik, meaning the truthful. He also played a big role in the spread Islam by acknowledging many well-known companions to join, such as Uthman bin Affan and Zubair bin Awad. And later, the Prophet Muhammad SAW is closer to the uh, friend. He is defended him from the Quraysh pressure and practiced the strongest example of the loyalty was during the Hijrah to Medina when he accompanied the Prophet Muhammad SAW and stayed with him inside the cave of tower. He risked his life to protect him, and when he lived in Medina, Abu Bakr Shiddiq participated in many important battles such as Badr and Uhud and Khandaq and so many more again. He was always ready to sacrifice his battle for Islam. He even freed the slaves who were being tortured for becoming Muslim, like Bilal ibn Rabah and the other again, becoming the first of Khalid. He is become of the first Khalid after the Prophet Muhammad SAW passed away. The Muslims were shocked, the confused. Abu Bakr reminded of everyone with a powerful word. If Muhammad SAW has died, the God of Muhammad still alive. His later words are broad place and humility. He has chosen the first of Caliph of Islam, and he has get achievement as Caliph. As Caliph, Abu Bakr faced many challenges. He ate the Rida Wars to protect Islam and for the group who left the region after the Prophet of death. Under his rule, the Prophet was copied into the one book, interesting in the prefer of all future generation. He also stretched the Muslim community and expand the Islam beyond Arabia. And he have character and leadership. Abu Bakr lived in simple humble life. Even when he became Khalid, he didn't know change his lifestyle. He was honestly fair and always talked about the need of the other become himself, his leadership of true humanity. And some of his friends have death and legacy. When he died and legacy, Abu Bakr passed away 160 CA after ruling for about 2 years. He was buried beside his brave friend Muhammad, Prophet Muhammad SAW in Medina. His legacy continued to inspire Muhammad and Muslims around the world. He is remembered as Ashidi, the best of companion and the first of Caliph of Islam. And the lesson of we can learn from this video from Abu Bakar Ashidi radhiyallahu anhu life. We learn to always speak and true and to stay loyal to our Prophet Muhammad SAW, to significant for our faith, and to lead with humanity. And most importantly, we can learn to press trust in Allah in every aspect of the life. And for the last, for the closing, is in conclusion, Abu Bakar Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu was more than just the companion of the Prophet Muhammad SAW. He was a symbol of faith, loyalty, and leadership. His life reminds us to the true generators comes from significant and detect to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. Okay, maybe that's all for me. I'm sorry, some mistake or some not prepared, and maybe that, that's all for me. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.